Hi everyone, today I want to share with you the private residential property market and also the HDB market for the first quarter 2020. Hopefully we can have more insight in how it has been faring during the start of this COVID-19 period. And right in front of me, I have this report done by ER Research and Consultancy, which I will just try to elaborate a little bit more. So as you can see in the price index for quarter on quarter compared to the previous quarter, we have seen a drop about 1%, but I guess this is also not unexpected. There were two things going on. First was the COVID-19, and secondly, I think this period is also Chinese New Year period where you do tend to see a lull in the market, so you do see a drop there. But the rental market has been pretty robust, and in fact it bucks the trend. You see an increase on a quarter-on-quarter basis, especially for the outer core regions, outer central regions. These are seeing a higher increase in pricing, probably due to higher demand. Occupancy rate is generally still healthy, above 90%. And for new launches, it's interesting that it shows a very strong demand with a 102.7% uptake rate, which shows that this is still a very healthy market and people are willing to buy into new launches at this point in time. For resale homes, unfortunately, that's lowered by about 12.9%. In my opinion, I think that this may be due to people trying to hedge by buying new launches, so hedge against the future, because during this period it's a bit uncertain. So unless those people who need to buy for their own stay, then they will definitely go for a resale home where they need immediate accommodation. So I guess that's why the rates have been dropping for resale homes. Then we shall look at HDB. So HDB resale market for the price index quarter on quarter has been flat, but year on year the increase is slight, but it still does show that the HDB market is relatively stable. But note that the volume quarter on quarter is actually 7% lower compared to the last quarter itself. So this probably is due to the COVID-19 and also again the Chinese New Year period where there is a lull in the market. That's why it calls for this 7% drop in volume. Price index, as I mentioned, is pretty stable. Rental volume also is still quite healthy. For BTO exercises for May 2020 has been postponed until further notice due to this COVID-19. So we won't be able to see the results now. We'll probably be able to see more in the next quarterly update. Okay, so that's the general results for the private residential and HDB. In my opinion, I think the Q2 results would be more dampening, but that is not to be unexpected as we are in the full scale of the COVID-19. But let's look at results later on.